You've already seen how you can look at the top paths from the dashboard in Watson Customer Experience Analytics, and you can create your own journey reports. From the dashboard, click Create Journey Report. First, you can select the audience to analyze. So by default, I look at all customers. But if I want to analyze only mobile purchasers or Diamond Club members, I can select that audience here. For now, we'll just select all customers. I can also select my report options. By default, I look at the top 5 paths ranked by the most traveled. But I can also have this sorted by duration, average revenue, etc. Or I could show the top path ranked by each metric. Once you determine your audience and report options, you can create your journey report. A journey report consists of one or more touch points. A touch point can be any interaction. You can start your investigation by looking at a particular outcome in order to see the top paths that led there. You can look at the interactions that led to a positive result, such as a purchase or a registration or a conversion. Or you could look at a negative outcome, an abandoned transaction or a customer service call. Or you can select a start touch point, such as an email click or website search. With an open-ended journey, you can see what paths led to successful conversions and which ones didn't. Select both a start and end touch point and see the different paths customers travel between them. For example, what leads to repeat purchases? Select Purchase as the start and Purchase as the end. And now I'll be able to create a report to show the paths customers take in between multiple purchases. In this case, I want to create an open-ended journey that starts with an email click. This journey will show me how effective we are in converting customers who are engaged enough in my brand to click through. I go to the first touch point and I select the mailing click-through event. I can change the date range for the click-throughs, which is by default set to 2 weeks. Since I send out a lot of email campaigns, I want to narrow this date range to 1 week. I click on one of the date options, and then I can set the dates like so. I click Add Touchpoint. Now that I've added the touchpoint, I can set the Look Forward window. This report will pull the journeys of everyone who clicked an email within the specified dates. The Look Forward range determines the range of channel interactions to include within this report. In this case, the default Look Forward range will show all the customer interactions that have occurred for 14 days after this initial click-through event. Since customers tend to act pretty quickly on my email campaigns, I'm going to change the Look Forward date range from 14 days to 4. I click Done. If I had selected an End touchpoint without a Start touchpoint, I would need to configure the Look Back window. For example, if I were to look at abandonments, I might want to see everything that happened to those people who abandoned from the previous week to see what channels they interacted with before they actually abandoned. Now that I've configured my report, I can click Run Report. I see a window here that my report is running, and I'll be notified when it's ready. While I'm waiting for my report to generate, I can actually create other reports here and run those as well. I can also go to Manage Journey Reports to see the status of my reports. I can click on my report and analyze it further. You've seen how easy it is to create a journey report. Select a Start touchpoint and touchpoint, or both, and run the report. Once it's ready, you can then analyze your journey reports further. Next, we'll take a look at some of the other options for creating journey reports.